Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a little bit about what we do here on the farm. I think it's about 10 o'clock. I've already milked the cows. I did that earlier. Fed and watered the pigs and the chickens, and fed the cows that are up here around the barnyard too. But now I'm going to go fill water tank. We got to water the spring cows or the dry cows that are down in the field. Keep them on stockpiled forage as long as we can. We supplement with dry hay too, but anyway, gotta water those guys this morning, and then got some other stuff. Gotta feed some more hay and some other things to take care of, and then we're gonna work on the barn a little bit. So come along, check it out. Got the water tank filling here. While that's filling, I'm gonna go move a cow here. I gotta put her out with the bull. It's our nurse cow. She's got some calves on her, but hopefully she's stuck. She's already been with the bull. But if she didn't stick, she'll be coming around in heat again any day now. So I'm just putting her in there with him just in case, just to make sure. These are some of our calves from this year. We sold a couple of these. That's one of our, that's a bull we're keeping back. See how he turns out. That's our nurse cow over there. She's waiting to get let out. All right, come on, mama. And there she goes. We got I don't know if you can see it all the way down there, but that's our fresh cows down there. They're chewing on some hay, and that's got the bull in with them. This is one of our spring heifers over here. She aborted her calf the other day. She wasn't supposed to calve for another, oh heck, 3 months. And I came out and found a calf laying on the ground dead. Luckily I was able to get her back up and get her milked, so she didn't dry up on us. So we are currently milking her, but she is a heifer, so and she's new to the farm, so I'm training her. That's why I got a halter on her. I don't know if you can see that or not, but training her. Things are going well. She's doing good. Another couple days and I should be able to put her in with the general population with the other fresh cows. So we didn't put up as many squares as I would have liked last summer, so a couple of our really good round bales I've just taken and just pick them apart with the skid steer and put them over the fence for that spring heifer, and then I'll put them in the bunk here for these guys here. But it's just another way to feed hay. I wish we see if she'll start. Sometimes she's a little temperamental.
What side is it?
Yeah. And she's about full. These are our spring heifers, dry cows. These girls will start calving here. What is today? Today's February 2nd. They're going to start somewhere around the first week in April, or at least that's what the bull will be, so sometime in April. You guys probably can't hear me very well because of the wind out there, but these are our spring cows, or spring heifers and dry cows. And we got them on some stockpiled forage on the back part of the farm. We supplement with hay too. The stockpile forage is getting kind of thin, but try and keep them out here as long as we can. So far the snow hasn't been bad at all, so we haven't had any issues with that. But they're going to start calving here probably today. Today's February 2nd, and they're going to start calving somewhere around, the bull got put in with them first week in April, so, or I'm sorry, they should start calving first week in April, according to when the bull was put in with them. So anyway, they're here on the back side of the farm. I don't know how well you can see it, but way up there to the northeast, that's the barns and buildings and everything, the barnyard. And we border the railroad tracks all the way across here, and then that road down there, gravel road, if I can't see it, but go all the way to that road down there. So heading up to get some fuel. And we're here. Back on the way home. Everybody's thirsty today. I just paid $3.74 for non-tax off-road fuel, and then I stopped and I just had to pay $3.69 for on-road tax fuel. This is an upside down world we live in. The good stuff. Glub glub. We've got an old silage wagon that we feed dry hay out of, and sometimes when the cows get to eating on it, they're a little bit shorter. means that they're grass-fed genetics, and so they can't always reach up into it. So sometimes I got to get down in here or get up in there and grab that bale and kind of tear it apart and move it around. That way they can get to it, because they'll lead in so far they can't get to the bales. That's probably going to be it for today. I got some more stuff I got to do, obviously. I am going to work in the barn a little bit, but I'm not going to take much video of that, if any, because it's pretty dark in there and I'm going to be all over the place. But and then I got to get ready to do chores and start milking anyway. But I don't know, if you guys liked it, give us a little tickle and hit that thumbs up button, and hit the subscribe button. You never know, maybe we'll make another one. Hope you enjoyed it.